If you're looking to use LucidCharts in Google Docs, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. So let's dive in. Okay, so where we're going to start over here is in Google Docs. We're going to go up to our ribbon. We're going to look for extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons. So there's a number of LucidChart add-ons that you can actually get. So let's go to the top over here to the search bar, and we are just going to dial in Lucid. Now you'll see that there is a LucidChart extension, a Lucid Spark, and a Lucid Scale. So we're going to go ahead and install the LucidChart. You can go ahead and click on install. It'll open a new window and it'll ask you to choose an account to sign in with. Let's go ahead, choose an account. Let's tap on continue. Over here, you can just see what permissions you're giving. Let's say allow. We want all of our permissions granted. Over here, it will just give you another pop-up window. So do just give it a second. You can see now that it has been installed. Let's go ahead and click on done. And optionally, you can install these two extensions as well. Let's close this. I'm going to just refresh this page. We're going to go over to the right-hand side, and you can see that there's a little arrow over here. It says show side panel, and here are all of your extensions. So you'll see now that here is LucidChart. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Once we've clicked on that, you'll see that it will open over here in the sidebar. And here we are just going to go and click on login. It'll open a new window. It'll give you the opportunity to log in. So you need to connect your Google Workspace and LucidChart with the same account. So I've got my LucidChart account over here, and we're just going to go ahead and we are going to just say yes. We're going to grant access all the way at the bottom over here. And you can see that it is for all three extensions. So let's just close this up over here. If this doesn't populate, you can just refresh your page again. And here you can create a new document, or you can browse documents. You can also update images. Now, let's say perhaps you've got a document. This one is particularly called LucidChart. And let's say that I would like to go ahead and embed it into my LucidChart project over here. So we're going to go and click on share. Once you click on share, you'll be able to change the permissions for your document. Let's just say copy link. We're going to go over here, and wherever we are, we're going to actually be able to right click and say paste. And what will happen is we'll just have to give permissions there. You'll actually be able to take your Google Doc and place it right over here in your mind map. So what will actually happen is it will generate a thumbnail. You'll have to just authorize that again. So you'll have a thumbnail, and then you can actually add a description over here. There is the name of the Google Doc, and thereafter you can go ahead and you can completely customize it. So once you click on it, you will have a few things that you can do. You can replace the image. You can extract the thumbnail, you can copy, and then probably one of the better tools here is this one over here. You can open the link in a new tab. So if you just go like this, it'll actually open the link directly. You can make the changes that you need, and the changes will take effect right over here. Now, if you want to go ahead and let's say we want to save this. So let us share this 1 second, and let us go enable share link, and we're going to copy this link. Okay, so there's a number of ways to do this. You can either go ahead and you can save this. So we can say export. You can export it externally. But if you're going back to your Google Doc, you can actually go to the right-hand side. You can say browse documents, and this will allow you to actually connect your LucidChart account with your Google Docs account. So you're going to go in here, and whatever documents you have available within LucidChart, you'll be able to see it here, and then you'll be able to select it, and you can actually embed it into your Google Doc. I hope this was helpful.